Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This tutorial is going to be for some cookie stencils. We're just going to play around with these images. I didn't necessarily make a plan in advance of what to do with these, other than I like the fact that the witch is in. This can be done in plastic as well as the witch over here. The broom probably isn't the best broom for plastic because you need a ton of bridges in there, so I'm probably not going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and then I won't be using this extra hat, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I like that this is a silhouette that can be cut out. There is nothing on this that needs to be bridged anywhere. I know people love that, so nobody loves bridging, I don't think. I haven't met anybody yet. Also over here, I'm probably not going to use that hat. So let's get rid of that hat. I'm just liking the saying, and I don't know if I really want the elements. You could leave the elements in there if you wanted to and do multiple colors, but I'm just going to do the saying the witch is in. Then I probably would use some kind of a background on a cookie and then make this saying. Maybe could do like maybe witch hats are in the background or something like that. But really, this one is going to be super simple. All you would need to do would be to size this accordingly for your cookie. Let's say we're going to put that on a 3-inch cookie. I usually try to do about 2.75 because it allows for room around the edges, and then put in a stencil square. I'm going to go ahead and turn that white just because it's easier to see for the video. And then since this was the last thing in, it covers up that image behind it. I'm going to arrange and send that to the back, and also resize that to 5.5. Then to get that in the middle, you just need to draw a box around those two items. It doesn't even have to go completely around there. As long as you touch the two items, it draws a box around everything there. And I'm going to center that and attach. So that is ready to go for a cookie stencil. That simple. I'll link below in the description the website where I got both of these images, where I get a lot of my images, lovesvg.com. I really like those. They're very user-friendly, as you can see here. I'm going to delete that. I hid it instead of deleting it. And then this one, you'd probably want to put this on a little bit bigger cookie just to kind of showcase it. Let's say we're going to go on a 4-inch cookie, so I'm going to do 3.75 on that one. Bring in another square. And again, I'll make this white. I'll make it 5.5 inches, and I will arrange and send that to the back. And then I'm going to touch both my square and my witch. Align and center and attach. So both of those are ready to go, ready to send to the Make It mat to cut out on plastic, no bridges necessary. If you have any questions at all, feel free to link them in the comments.